Here are the ingredients for today's recipe of the week. You can see starting on the left, there's broccoli and parsley. There's celery and carrots and beets and rutabagas and cucumbers, onions, lime, turmeric, garlic, ginger. And over here we have the wild foods: burdock root, parsnip root, and whole dandelions. I'll trim the tops off the parsnips and the burdocks before we start. So here we go. I cleaned up the burdock roots. Part of the upper one, part of it was kind of rotten. I got rid of the tops on the two parsnips, and I added a piece of horseradish root. That could be pretty interesting. Now we'll load up the juicer. It says to put the leafy stuff on the bottom, so that would be the parsley, the dandelion roots and tops, probably the broccoli, and let's see. Now we'll throw in a little flavoring. We'll throw in the turmeric, the garlic, the ginger, the lime, throw in a few sticks of carrots, and what the heck, we'll throw in the gobo, or burdock root. Chinese call it gobo. I guess we can probably turn the sucker on, but not till we close the lid. Let's see, I think I'm doing this right. I'm going to spit it up. I want to beat the color right away, except it doesn't fit. Or cucumber. That fits. More celery. That fits. Some carrots. That fits. Horseradish. Parsnip. Little piece of beef fits. Rutabaga. Carrots. Beets. Rutabaga. Onion. Make sure it's nice and clean. Sit and wait for a little bit. Maybe clean up our mess while the process continues. Pretty cool, huh? And don't put your fingers too far in there. I think it's working. This is pretty exciting. Look at that. Did I time that perfect? I'll let it keep going until stuff doesn't come out anymore. So look at that beautiful mix. Isn't that pretty? Kind of orange on the bottom, green in the bottom part of it toward the middle, pretty red on top. And then when you shake it a little bit, it looks like this. This part goes to the chickens or the worms, unless I eat it first. And now we can finish our preparation. First we'll taste it. That was pretty clean. Now, let's taste like. Oh, oh, the horseradish comes through. I think it needs a little salt. Some fine ground pepper. Some olive oil. And a couple big dollops of Lactobacillus reuteri, long-term culture. Yeah, that's about all it'll fit. So, try this. It completely changes the intensity of it. It's much more mellow and bland and quite delicious. Well, I think it still needs a little salt. Might take the salt a few minutes to go through it for it to dissolve. That's better. That's delicious. So this will be my afternoon lunch, getting ready for supper.